Crafters! We are happy to see you again. Today, we are going to learn about DepEd school forms.
Sit back, relax, and be ready to learn with us. We guess you are ready, so let's start. The grading system in public schools serve as an essential tool for evaluating students' academic progress and performance. It provides students with feedback on their strengths and weaknesses, motivating them to strive for excellence and improve their learning outcomes. In addition, grades help teachers identify students who may be struggling and in need of additional support, allowing for early intervention and remediation. Overall, the grading system plays a crucial role in promoting student achievement, fostering accountability, and ensuring academic standards are met in public schools.
It's easier for me to compute the grade in the e-class record than manually because the e-class record is in the design format using a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for the Department of Education. This information system provides for teachers to gather assessment and get the total progress and performance of students. The second advantage of e-class records is that they eliminate the need for tedious paperwork. Under the traditional grade computation, teachers had to record the student grades manually on a piece of paper for each student. This not only took up a lot of time but also increased the possibility of error. In contrast, under e-class records, one can input and store grades electronically without the need for any paperwork. This ultimately reduces the possibility of human error and provides students with accurate grades.
The teachers are the ones accomplishing the school forms. The DepEd provides guides and seminars to help the teachers accomplish the necessary school forms faster. The DepEd also provides soft copies of these forms, and the teacher will then encode the data needed in each form. The teacher monitors the learners and notes it down to accurately accomplish the needed data and information in each form.
School forms are significant documents that record important details on students, staff, teachers in the school community as a whole. They serve an essential role in the educational system. These forms help in the management and organization of administrative and academic tasks, promote compliance with rules and policies, and enable communication between parents and school personnel. Additionally, they support the well-being and academic achievement of every individual within the school setting by recording critical information including emergency contacts, medical information, and special accommodations, all of which help to create a safe and inclusive learning environment.
Forms serve many different types of procedures, including tracking student progress, evaluating learning outcomes, and providing data for educational planning and policy making. They help teachers in identifying special student needs, evaluating methods of instruction, and ensuring that educational standards are met. Overall, filling out many different school forms promotes quality and improves the quality of education. Now, let's perceive which of the different school forms is easiest to accomplish. Simple forms like attendance sheets or basic progress trackers might be considered the easiest to complete. Simple forms usually involve straightforward data collection or recording, such as marking attendance or tracking basic progress and indicators. They don't typically require intensive analysis or interpretation of data. The criteria for marking attendance are usually well defined. A student is either present or absent. Attendance sheets provide immediate feedback on student presence in the class, which can be important for monitoring student engagement and identifying potential issues earlier on. Attendance tracking is often a legal requirement in many educational settings. The simplicity of attendance sheets ensures compliance with this regulation without adding unnecessary complexity to teachers' workload. We are hoping that you have learned a lot from us as we all enjoy this wonderful journey.
We are a bit sad because this will be our last vlog to be shared with you. But we are hoping that you'll keep what you have learned and apply it in the future.
Have a nice day. Bye!